Salam, Jaguar.
Привет, Johnson.
Hola, Johnson.
Jumbo, Johnson Jaguar.
Hello, Johnson Jaguars. This is the broadcast for April 28, 2025. That's last week in April. Let's get started with the Jaguar pledge. I am a Johnson Jaguar. I am a responsible learner. I am safe. I am respectful. I am productive. I am a Johnson Jaguar. Whoa! Be safe. A great way to stay safe is to treat others with respect. Unfun Friday recess. Be respectful. Follow school rules and games and wall ball. You are out if you hit the ball over the wall.
Be productive. Help others find more food to eat by putting it in the correct place, in the share box, not here. See. Enjoy the show. Why?
Jaguars. My name's Leona.
My name is Major.
And my name is Jacob.
Last week they had a Jaguar Assembly.
Congratulations to the kids who won an award.
Mr. Kyle came to do a drawing lesson with us.
So fun. And I also like drawing too.
Yeah, also me too.
Bye, Johnsons. Third grade is almost done with the UFLI phonics program. We are learning about prefixes.
We are learning about uni, bi, and tri.
Uni means like unicorn. It has one horn.
Bi means two, like a bicycle that has two wheels.
Tri means three, like a tricycle. Guess how many wheels? Great job, third grade.
Bye,
Bye.
Hello, Johnson Jaguars.
My name is Faith.
My name is Eileen.
And my name is Jonathan. Last week was Earth Day.
Johnson is helping the earth by recycling and composting more at lunchtime.
Miss Michelle said we used to fill up 2 dumpsters with trash, and now we fill up 1.
We need to clean the earth more with Miss Michelle.
She also said you are all doing an awesome job with recycling at lunchtime. Make sure to say thank you to Miss Michelle. Keep up the good work, Jaguars.
Let's see what kindergartners are learning about Earth Day.
So Hannah, why do you want to keep the planet clean?
Because summer can grow.
Hey Carter, what did you learn about Earth Day?
Stop buying the plastic water bottles and reusing the ones that you can use.
Good job. Why do we have to save the planet?
Because it's our home. Saving the earth and also reusing water bottles and don't waste earth because don't pick those, and also you don't pick flowers because it's not good for the earth.
We love it! It's Autism Awareness Month! Autism is a disorder that develops people's brains differently. Different people in the world have autism, like my brothers. A kid with autism might have trouble with talking and learning the meaning of words,
Making friends or fitting in.
dealing with changes like new foods, having a substitute teacher, or having toys moved. Dealing with loud noises, bright lights, or crowds. You can help them by inviting them to play. You can teach them new things, being nice to them and not making fun of them. If they're getting bullied, you can stand up for them. Bye, Johnson Jaguars!
Hi Jaguars, today I'm going to be interviewing Miss Lindsley. What made you decide to be a teacher?
Well, thank you for having me. I'm not quite sure what made me decide to be a teacher. I know that when I was younger, I used to babysit my younger sibling and my younger cousins, and I always loved working with children. And I thought, as I grew older, I thought maybe being a teacher would be fun.
What an interesting way to respond. I sometimes would help back my cousins.
Very interesting. Maybe you'll be a teacher one day too.
What did you want to be when you were younger?
I think I always wanted to be a teacher.
I still haven't decided yet.
You got time. That's okay.
Do you have a family like a dog or a cat, like a family pet as well?
Oh, yes, I do have a family. I have 4 boys. My youngest boy is 4, and then they go up from there 4, 7, 9, and 10. I also have 2 cats, Carl and Devo. I also have a dog. His name is Bacon.
What an interesting family. I love that. What's your favorite subject to teach your students?
Ooh, that's a great question. I love to teach all of the subjects. My most favorite is definitely reading because when children learn to love reading, they can go anywhere. They can read any book. They can just have fun reading. It's so fun to see them grow.
Thank you for letting us interview you, Miss Lindsley.
Thank you so much, and thank you for choosing me to interview. It's been fun.
Hello, Johnson Jaguars. The last week in April is Every Kid Healthy Week. Hey, Danny, wake up! Did you know that kids should get 9 to 11 hours of sleep each night?
Sorry, I didn't know that. What does Johnson do to help kids be healthy?
Johnson puts veggies and fruits in the cafeteria. Tomatoes have fruit.
We also have our PE time to help us be healthy.
Thank you for the coaches for helping us stay healthy. Bye!
Thanks for
Walking. Bye.
Oh wait, still recording.
Be safe. Ready?
Peace.
Start off with your name.
My name is Eileen. Alofa.
You go first.
Eileen. Alofa Moni. Adeline.
And Miss Ibrahim.
Yeah.
My bad.
This is behind the scenes.
This is behind the scene. I'm the cameraman.
What should we be talking about?
Talk about how broadcast saved your life or something.
Taco Bell.
When did I say Taco Bell?
I like Chick-fil-A and Kane's chicken fingers. I like
yeah.
McDonald's. And Chick-fil-A. I like Chick-fil-A more than anything.
I